Jai Srimanarayana. 91st Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Akhne Namaha. O Srimanarayana, whoever approaches you, whoever surrenders to you are never get destroyed. O Srimanarayana, you are the one who bless all the souls with jnanam and brings all of them out of the darkness of ignorance. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to you. Om Akhne Namaha. Om Akhne Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is the form of Jnanam and situated within our own heart, let us now sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Ramayanam, Janaka Maharaju announces to Vishwamitra Maharshi saying that, O Brahmarshi, I am ready to give my 4 daughters to Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana, Shatrughna. Let us perform their marriage ceremony at one muhurtam under one kalyana mantapam. Then everybody felt very happy. Janaka Maharaju reveals his respect to Brahmarshis, both Vasishtha Maharshi and Vishwamitra Maharshi, and also says that, O Brahmarshis, because of your blessings, I am getting this opportunity to do Kanyadanam. Like that, Janaka Maharaju says and respects, worships both the Brahmarshis. Then Dasharatha Maharaju, along with Vasishtha Maharshi and along with his 4 sons, goes back to his place and performs all the rituals which are supposed to be performed prior to marriage ceremony. Nandi Shraddham, Samavartanam, everything is done for Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrughna. Dasharatha Maharaju also had all his 4 sons do Godanam to lakhs of Brahmins. After that Godanam is done, those 4 sons were decorated with all beautiful garments and wonderful ornaments. After getting decorated with all those things, Rama is looking so beautiful, handsome, and no one is able to take off their eyes from the divine, beautiful, handsome personification of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Pundarika, Visalakshav, Sukumarau, Mahabalau. Such a beautiful, handsome personification Sri Ramachandra Swami, after getting decorated along with his 3 brothers, comes to his father Dasharatha and standing right next to his father with all his humbleness. Then Dasharatha Maharaju asks, O Vasishtha Maharshi, please go to Janaka Maharaju and tell him that we are all ready to come to Kalyana Mantapam. Then Vasishtha Maharshi goes to Janaka Maharaju and tells him the same thing. Then Janaka Maharaju says that, "Oh Brahmarshi, I am also ready with my 4 daughters. I had all my 4 daughters done. Samavartanam, and all my 4 daughters got decorated with all ornaments, and we are also ready in Kalyana Mandapam. Please ask Dasharatha Maharaju come into Kalyana Mandapam with his 4 sons. Also tell him to feel this is his home. The entire Mithila is like his Ayodhya." Like that Janaka Maharaju says. Then Vasishtha Maharshi goes back and tells the same thing to Dasharatha. Dasharatha came into Kalyana Mandapam along with his 4 sons, and Janaka Maharaju is ready there with his 4 daughters, and everyone is ready to get marriage ceremony, Vivaha Kalyana Mahotsavam done. Let us enjoy this marriage ceremony of Sita Ramachandra Swami tomorrow. With meditating upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, let us now do Sri Rama Nama Smarana. Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama, Sri Rama. 10th Sloka. Suresaha Saranam Sarma Visvaretaha Prajabhavaha Ahaha Samvatsaro Vyalaha Pratyayaha Sarvadarshanaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sri Mannarayana. Om Akhne Namaha. Om Akhne Namaha. Om Akhne